This is the Beachwaver Co Braid Balm. It's paraben-free, formaldehyde-free, sulfate-free, petrolatum-free, benzophenone-free. It is vegan, cruelty-free, phthalate-free, and this bottle is fully recyclable at the curbside. And the way you use it is really simple. It's actually a foamer. So we're gonna foam it out and then we're gonna apply it to our hair and then braid it. And it's really good for your hair, so you wanna take it and go all the way to the ends, especially if your hair is dry. So you can use this on damp or dry hair. You want to make sure with this product that you're really evenly distributing it through the ends because of the fact that you have HIx in it, which is the strengthener. So the idea is that you've got a really nice polished braid and then you sleep in it, and when you wake up you have defined waves. So once you remove them, you just sort of shake this out a little bit and you can see all of that really cool texture the braids created, but it's shiny and it's soft and it's touchable.